In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wix events page. Whether you're gearing up for a small meetup or a large-scale event, Wix offers a robust platform that allows you to handle the details with ease. Let's dive in and walk through setting it up so you can start promoting your event in no time. First things first, we're going to add the Wix Events app to your site. Start by opening your site in the Wix Studio editor. If you're not already familiar with Wix Studio, this is the central hub where you can customize and manage your website. Now, take a look at that left sidebar in the editor. You'll see an option labeled Add Apps. Clicking on this is your gateway to integrating a wide range of additional functionalities into your site. Once you're in the Apps section, we'll need to do a quick search. In the search bar, type in Wix Events and Tickets. This will bring up the app that's specifically designed for managing events on your site. You'll want to make sure it's the correct app because it offers a comprehensive set of features tailored to event planning, like creating and selling tickets, managing guest lists, and more. After it appears in your search results, go ahead and click Add to Site. This will install the app directly into your site, laying down the groundwork for everything else we'll be doing today. Now, a little insight on why this app is beneficial. The Wix Events app allows for seamless integration of event management features on your website. From the ability to customize ticket types and handle RSVPs to providing detailed event information, it allows your visitors a smooth and straightforward experience. Plus, it takes care of much of the back-end technical details that can be cumbersome if done manually. And that's it for this initial setup. By following these steps, you've just added a powerful tool to your website toolbox that will help you host successful, organized events. Remember, the initial installation is the first step in a much larger process of designing and customizing your event page, but you're off to a strong start. As you begin to explore what Wix Events can do, take the time to click around and familiarize yourself with the features available. You'll find a variety of options for tweaking the setting, which ultimately means you can tailor everything to precisely meet the needs of your event. So, get ready to dive deeper into customizing your event page to ensure everything looks and functions just the way you want it. In our next segment, we'll explore how to start customizing the event details, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue to build out your perfect event setup with Wix.